Hi, welcome to the Tabs and Icons video series. In this video, we're going to look at how to insert and use the calendar date picker in Microsoft Excel. Now, we all know that the calendar date picker is very popular in Microsoft Word, but not many of us use it in Microsoft Excel. Now, this training is going to open up how we can insert the calendar date picker and use it in our normal data work. So let's look at our data. Now, we have this credit granted to how many persons now? To 30 persons within the month of January 2024. Now, our job is to insert the loan date, the credit granted date. Now, we probably would have had this either in a printed document, and we've got to enter one by one into this. Now, to avoid error, we recommend that you use the calendar date picker. Now, how to use the calendar date picker in Microsoft Excel? First, the calendar date picker is under the tab developer. Now, the tab developer does not come as a default tab in your ribbon. Now, if you don't have that tab, the developer, right click anywhere on the ribbon and you will see here collapse the ribbon and customize the ribbon. Click on customize the ribbon, it brings you straight to this menu, and looking at the right you'll have the customize the ribbon menu portion. Scroll down until you see the developer right here. It will be unchecked in your own case if you don't have it already, so check it and then click OK. Now, the moment you click OK, go back to your ribbon, you will notice that you have the developer tab already installed. Now, click on developer tab. I want to put dates on this column. Click on developer tab, and there's a group add-ins. The first icon you will see there is the add-in. Click on that icon. It takes you straight to this place, Office add-ins. Now, you see my add-ins. I already have that here, but in your own case, click on the store. When you click on the store, you will see a search button here. Type calendar, since that's what we're looking for. So type calendar. Now, the moment you type calendar and hit your enter key, you will notice that a mini calendar and date picker will be shown up here. Click on add to add it. So when I click on add, it tells me continue, and I said okay. Now I already have it added. Now, if you don't have it added here, just go back to the whole process and then you take it. Now I have it here. You can move it, it's very flexible. You can move it, you can resize it to any size you want, make it bigger and make it smaller. You can resize it. Now, this is the calendar date picker. You can move using the arrows here to move to any particular date. Now, we're in January 2024. That is the date of this report, January 2024. So even though we are currently in March, I'll scroll back to January 2024. Now, this is my date. Now I come down to this place, look through my data, and I select anyone here. Move to the next one, I select anyone. Now it shows me as number. That means this portion is not formatted as a date portion yet. So I can easily come here and format my work there as a date, depending on what I want. Let me select this date. Okay, let me take this one. At the short date format. Fine. So I click here, I move to my January, I select 18th, I move to the next one, I select this, I move to the next one, I select this. Now, if you have any date outside the January, you use your scroll bar to move to that particular date and fill all your date column. This way, you can hardly make an error because you are clicking directly on the date picker and it's inserting it right inside your cell. This is how to use the date picker in Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much for listening. In other videos, we're going to see much more of what Excel can do. Thank you and bye-bye.